Unboxing G-Dragon, one of a kind. It truly is, 'cause it's in gold. Gold edition. And because, I ain't gonna lie, this looks like the Bible. Seriously, you see this? What is up? Am I about to read something? I'm sorry, when I saw this, I'm like, why do they have the Bible at the store? Anyway, let's go on and unbox greatness. Mother... Alright, anybody got a knife? You? There. Damn, paper cut. Still unboxing G-Dragon. Yes, you can hear it. I think I will keep this for generations. Unboxing G-Dragon. Let's see what's inside. Well, with this, I hope there's, you know, a golden ticket to the Willy Wonka's, you know, chocolate factory, whatever. Unbox. Oh my God, it's G-Dragon. Look at that. Oh my God, he looks so cute. Unboxing G-Dragon. I wish I could look. Yes. Photo cards. OMG of OMGs. Photo cards. Yes. Oh, you want to look at them? Okay. There you go. I will call for the money. G-Dragon. He is so hot. He looks like a woman that I would date. I don't know. Does it have a balance? And there you go. The CD. Man, you seriously think I'm really going to do an unboxing? Okay, bye. Take care. Bye, the album.